Welcome back. Today we're going to be making Brazilian cheese bread or pão de queijo. You might recognize them if you've ever gone to a Brazilian restaurant. These small but delicious breads pack a cheesy punch, so let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of tapioca flour, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2/3 cup of grated cheddar cheese, and 2 eggs. The first step is to pour your oil, salt, milk, and water into a pan over high heat and let the ingredients boil. As soon as you see the mixture boil, remove it from the heat. Then add your tapioca flour and garlic. Mix it until it's smooth. After that's done, let it sit for about 15 minutes. Next, you'll add your eggs and both your cheeses. Mix that until you get a chunky mixture. Now take a bit of the mixture onto your hands and roll it into a ball. Then, place the cheese balls onto a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and bake for about 20 minutes. The cheese bread should come out lightly brown. Move the cheese breads from the baking sheet onto a plate and enjoy them alongside your favorite dish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more recipes.